everybody, my name is EnderBoySP, and I'll be doing another system test. I guess we'll call it system test number 2. Well, what's here? Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, where'd it go? Okay. Guys, I had a door sensor right here. Oh, I know what happened to it. Okay, so what happened was, there's a door sensor here, right? Well, the thing with the siren fell right there, and then I decided, well, stickiness must have came off, so I put it on top of here, and I pretended it was siren, and then I brought it downstairs, and something happened to it, and now I can't find it. End of story. Anyway, I only have one now. So, I guess we can test the system now. Let's see if it works. That works. And of course, this one does not work. I wish it did. I'm upset. Wish it did. Okay, that will conclude our system test. And if you liked it, oh wait, before I end the video, I want to show you something. I found tape, guys. I found tape. I'll show you 2 things. Okay, so let me turn this on. Look, I made this from Arduino. It's really cool. So you know what this is supposed to mimic, right? This is supposed to mimic this, the ready, armed, and trouble lights. That makes sense? So it's ready, not ready, ready, armed, trouble. I thought it would be neat. I call it a blinky box. Anyway, and you might have noticed this little remote down here. I think it's C. Lord help me. Is it A? No. Oh, it is A. Huh, why is that on? Huh, okay. But anyway. Okay, so so the lamp over there is connected to this remote. So if I press A, the lamp turns on. If I press A again, the lamp turns off. And yes, it's a Lightning McQueen. It's outdated. I wish I had a different lamp. But it's an Insteon. And this is a NAPCO motion detector. Wish it also worked. But this will conclude my video. And I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.